I'm basically just gonna be vlogging throughout my day. I'm not sure if it's gonna be like just like a day vlog or a weekly vlog. I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but I just thought to take you guys with me throughout my day because there's a lot of things that I have to do today. And I said that I wanted to make changes for this year, and we're doing new things, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, I guess I'll just take you guys with me. I just got out of the shower and now I'm just gotta clean, and I have 2 videos to record, but I have to go to Joann's to get a backdrop because we're gonna do a Valentine's Day look. Let's get going with that. Let me show you guys what I actually put on my hair. Okay, so right after I shower, let me move this a little bit. Right after I shower, I use this Shea Moisture Coconut Curl and Style Milk. This is like protein for your hair. It's so good. You can get this at Walmart. I think they might have them at CVS. And I have to put some sort of oil on my hair because my hair gets really dry. Now I'm gonna get to cleaning. I love that song. I love my kitchen. You can see Like outside, it's so nice. See towards the kitchen. But it's a mess, so. What are you doing? What? Everything is pretty much clean because I try to keep the kitchen clean as much as possible. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna have something to eat. I did my meal prepping for the week, so if you guys want a video showing you guys how I meal prep, let me know. It's like black beans and tomatoes. I forgot the cilantro. I put a little bit of lemon, salt, pepper, and then the chicken, and I seasoned the chicken with the Mrs. Dash Fiesta Lime, and I freaking love lemon. You guys don't know me. I love lemon. This meal was meant for avocados, but I'm allergic to avocados, so this is for my husband. So I'm gonna have my meal with these chips. They're like sea salt chips. They're multi-grain quinoa. They are by Late Julie, I think that's what it's called. They're like corn chips, but they're good for you. I am still sick, and it's snowing out. I hope you guys don't mind that I'm vlogging with my iPhone too, because I'm not gonna be carrying that big camera all the time. Alright, so I'm gonna get going. I just ate my meal. That meal was so good. So now I'm going to have a protein shake. I usually do like 10 to 12 ounces of milk. If it's right after the gym, then I do 12 to 16 ounces. And the protein that me and my husband use is this one right here. It's called True Mass. My husband knows how to explain this better than I do because he's more into fitness than I am, but this is like a fast processing sort of protein, and this one is, I don't know, but it's like a slow processor protein. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll probably like make a video for you guys. It's been snowing all day, and let me show you guys. Oh my god, look at this. It's crazy. Wow. Alright, I just threw on a hat because my hair is a mess, and then I'm just gonna put a sweater on, my jacket, and then I'm washing most of my scarves. I don't have any gloves. I'm from Arizona, okay? We don't carry gloves. We don't have gloves. We don't need gloves. But I gotta get some gloves. I don't know how to layer. I've been here in Jersey for like 6 years and I still don't know how to layer. I think I should put something else, right? Like a long sleeve or something. I'm gonna put another sweater. I don't think it's that cold outside though, that's the thing. But I'm just gonna put a sweater. And no, I'm not gonna match. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare myself. This is just for accessory. Can you guys see me in this? What is this? Alrighty. Are you guys ready? I don't match at all. I look so ridiculous right now. What? You're not coming with me, babies. I've been petting you and playing with you all day. He knows. He knows. Every time that I leave, he knows. These over there. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys. But he's obsessed with this. Every time I put that on my rug, he goes crazy over it. You guys want to watch? Watch. so cold out that we can't open our mailbox because it's frozen. Oh, there's a FedEx car right behind, and she said that she's gonna help me. Oh, I'm so cold. This was a complete fail. Joann's is closed. Look at this snow pile. Look at that. I'm so desperate and I really want to record. Alright, so because Joann's was closed, I kind of ran out of options, so I came to Walmart and I got myself some like school, what do you call those, like this, the colored paper, and I'm gonna see what I can do with that. I think I can pull it off. We'll see what happens. We're home. You guys won't believe what just happened to me. I was changing the light bulb for my lamp and I got electrocuted. Just got out of work. It's snowing like crazy here. Doing legs today, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll take you guys with me. I look crazy. Just took my makeup off, so I did that little like Barbie inspired makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. And because I meal prepped yesterday, I'm not sleepy at all. And it's 12:53. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit that and... Oh crap, why do I always have to be? I'll be back. I have to let my hair down, my head's starting to hurt. I'm gonna drink some tea.